Hey guys, welcome back to her channel. So today is Joycey Pinto's happy birthday. So we are going to cut the cake now. Eat it, and I don't know what to tell more. I'm very bad at this. So stay tuned.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Joycey. Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. No, introduction is already done. I guess Diksha was shooting in the morning. So I don't know what she shot, okay? I didn't even hear, but I was sitting there and just looking at her and I'm like, actually this is a very sudden plan. I wasn't even sure that I'll make a vlog, but I'm just doing it randomly. So if there's enough footage to put it together, this vlog might be coming out, or else this will stay in my phone. So if you all are seeing this vlog, it means that I have edited and posted it, okay? So what I want to tell you guys is that you all will see a lot of things on Instagram, so that might not be in reality. I just wanted to show you all how I live, and this is how I live. Not in the clothes you all see on Instagram. That's just for a video, but obviously I can't wear the outfit now and sit in the house. Too, that is such a cute outfit. Like, this is my actual body outfit for house. That's so bad, bro. Okay, so what happened was today morning I had to cut cake, and then that was done, and then I was just looking at I was looking on like I was going through the messages on Instagram. There were so many messages and I was like, oh Lord, so much pyar. From morning to afternoon, literally, I was reading the messages, replying them individually. I didn't even copy paste, okay? I was typing everyone's message and I was replying. It took so much of time that I finished in the afternoon, and then I took a bit rest, and here I am. I didn't film that part, but y'all had mentioned me in stories. Thank you so much for that. That shows how much support I have. That thing is, one thing is, it boosts up my confidence. So I also came to know that a lot of people like my content, and that's one thing which again, gives me a push to create content which I'll be creating in future. This birthday series had ended, like the last tile swap challenge, the birthday series ended, but this one is kind of like, a sneak peek into my life. Like, obviously y'all have always seen me dressed up in videos, and today, if out of nowhere, I'm just like, what's up, bros? So I have wished everyone, but in case there are people whose message I have not seen, I just want to tell you guys that I love you so much, and thank you so much for taking time from your schedule and wishing me. This means a lot to me, and I love you all. So thing is, this is a very random vlog, okay? So don't expect something crazy to happen. Very random, just to connect with you guys. So I will be vlogging like for 2 days, I believe. I'm not sure, because I in one day too I have no content, because to be honest, in reality, there's no surprises. Birthday is just you sitting and hogging. Okay, in all my birthdays, literally from before, we have never celebrated like all surprisingly. No, that's not the actual shit. It's just like, I'm gonna ask my parents what I want for my birthday. They give it to me, and then we have dinner or lunch, anything like a grand food. What is that? A grand lunch or a grand dinner. That's what happens in reality. So there's nothing much to show in that. So I don't know what will I be even showing, but I hope you guys, enjoy watching. I don't know. Randomly. And also I was wearing some other clothes, okay, and some other outfit in the morning, like The blue t-shirt, if you all have seen, like when I was cutting the cake, I was in blue. That's because after that I was playing with my dogs, and they literally shed so much of fur that I had to change my top. That is why I changed into this. This is a new top, okay? And my mom, she literally put in the washing machine with a top or sweatshirt, which literally, you know, which the color spreads, and literally the whole, what is that out, this top has got like yellow color of nishan. So naya top gaya mera. Yeah, I will also show you my dogs in this vlog because I love them so much. So you will come to know few things, like what happens in my life. And this is one of the thing where I'm dressed very uglily. Uglily, is that even a word? Whatever, you all understood, bro. That's enough for me. So I might continue the vlog tomorrow. Yeah, bro, I don't have anything much to speak. That's how it is. Okay, bye. Mic check. Can you all hear me? It is raining and I don't even know whether you all are able to hear me like properly, but still, I was supposed to vlog on Saturday. I said you all 2 days, and I didn't vlog on Saturdays, bro, because it was raining heavily and I was so alsi to vlog, so I didn't even talk anything. I just shot like few clips of the food which we were eating. So yeah, that's it. Like in the afternoon on Saturday, my mom prepared biryani. That clip I will attach. And in the night we ordered a few dishes from some hotel, and like 3 to 4 dishes, and again खाना खा लिया, इतना ही Saturday में. I did nothing on Saturday. And I forgot to end the vlog also. Like I didn't talk right. So today after my exams, like my exams had started on Monday and it ended just now. Okay, so I thought of like applying a mask, and then suddenly I remember I didn't end the vlog. So I was like, let's end the vlog by applying a mask. Like I rarely do this shit. Like I don't know, whenever I have mood, I'm like, wow, let's do skincare. It all depends on my mood. Like you all can see so many breakouts. Like if you all see, have so many shit going on my face. So yeah, that's what I had to do. Yeah. So y'all will see me now. So now you all will see me applying a mask. Enjoy. So not recently bought, like I don't know, months back I guess. This is Mamaearth ka Upton face mask. It is with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil for skin lightening and brightening. So this is that box, cutie box. Also, it's not a sponsored videos, okay? Then if you all see Mamaearth ka products, you all will start shouting that, okay, this is sponsored video. No, this is not sponsored video. Like when everyone were literally sponsoring the video, I was like, let me test it. So I like this product. Okay. So you all will see like, what do you call it? Time lapse. keep it for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll wash my face. So I guess that's enough for today's vlog. Like this is a lazy ass vlog. So yeah, and also I look like boot. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, though there was nothing in this vlog. I don't even know, I might hardly get like 100 views for this, but still. So yeah, if subscribe me no, wrong, cut this. So also if you all enjoy my content and you all want to watch more of vlogs or any other content, you all can follow me on my Instagram as well as YouTube channel. So oh bhai, this rain, no.
I like your sketcher.
Make it drop to the back.
Pull a mask if I'm drunk, baby. I'm a man. Pura bawal hai, shakal pe scar.
Here's another nigga on the hit list. Tryna
So it's a kick.
feel me ishq.
If I hear don't lie.
तुम हो जाए कहीं गुम प्यार की बातें.
Shakira, Shakira.
Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make
Everybody's watching her. She's looking at you.
My last sentence. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you all want to see more of fashion, pranks, challenge videos and everything, literally everything. So yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.